guys, how's everybody doing today? Welcome to Levi's Chef Boy Arte. Welcome to my vlogs. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple way to cook beef caldereta, or maybe call it bacareta. Today I'm going to be using beef shank, and I hope you like it. Stick around because I'm going to start preparing and cooking all the food for you guys. Let's go! Okay guys, let's prepare all the ingredients. Then after that we start cooking. Here we have a beef shank or litid ng baka, approximately mga 10 pounds. I'm gonna cut it into cubes. Kababayan, bali ito na po ang ating beef shank. Ready na po siya, and I cut it into a cube cut. Bali, here's all the ingredients that we need to add for our bacareta or beef caldereta special. Ito na po lahat ng mga ingredients, as you may see. Okay guys, let's start the cooking. Right here I'm gonna add 75 grams of butter. At least 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. Butter melt. Now let's fry our beef for at least 20 minutes maximum para lang lumabas yung kanyang liquid. Let's fry the beef for 20 minutes to flush out all the liquid. So in the meantime, let's cook our potatoes. Right here, I'm just gonna cook them in an air fryer. First, I'm gonna add some cooking oil. Put it there in the air fryer. Mix it up. And then let's cook it for at least 25 minutes, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay mga kababayan, let's start our beef caldereta. Just be sure mainit yung ating wok or ang ating lutuan in a high heat temperature. Ang purpose nito, I want the garlic to mag-brown kagad para lumabas yung kanyang aroma flavor. Just like that. So add the garlic and the onion. Mix it up. See, the garlic's already turning brown. Then lagyan natin ng anato powder or aswete, half teaspoon of aswete or anato powder, half teaspoon para magkaroon ng color and texture ang ating luto. Lagyan na natin yung ating beef na pinirito kanina, the beef shank. Let's add it. Itong lutong ito you could do a pressure cooker for at least 20 minutes. If you want a really nice and tasty beef, then you gotta cook it straight to the boil. But it's gonna take longer, at least an hour and a half to 2 hours, because it's a beef shank. It's kind of hard kind of type of beef it is. So mas maganda kung i-straight cooking lang sa wok, huwag nyo nang don't cook it in a pressure cooker. So mas malasa ang lalabasan ng beef caldereta. Let's add 1 can of coconut milk. Sorry for the mess. Let's add liver spread, pate, 175 ml. Itong magbibigay ng flavor sa ating baka ay yung pate, and also the coconut milk is like a really strong creamy flavor. Let's add 1 tablespoon of salt. One tablespoon of beef powder or beef stock. Teaspoon black pepper, tablespoon of oyster sauce, ako naman. Let's check our air fry potato and carrots. These are almost cooked. So bigyan pa tayo ng 10 minutes. And in the meantime, let's see our beef. Add some bay leaf. Add the olives. Let's cover it up for a while. Make sure you're nasa medium heat temperature. And then here, let's check our beef, see how tender it is. I'm gonna use my finger to pinch it. Malambot na, so our beef is ready. So meaning, pwede ko nang i-add yung let's add our air fry potato and carrots. Ayan. Ito na po yung ating na-produce na araw nito, mga kababayan. How to cook beef caldereta with coconut milk and liver spread. Looks so yummy. Now let's put some on the plate. Wow, this food looks so delicious. Look at that. You just have to have rice, hot steamed rice. They're so yummy. So here's your yummy beef caldereta. Hi guys, thanks for watching once again. I hope you enjoyed that video that I shared a while ago, how to cook beef caldereta, or call it bacareta. Until next time, hope to see you again. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Till then, peace out. Bye bye.